So here we are in the middle of August in beautiful Lake Superior Provincial Park. My wife and I have spent a lot of time up here doing a lot of backcountry backpacking and most of the time along the coast. And we thought this would be a good opportunity to try a little interior canoeing. I'll let my wife say the name of it because she's fluent in one language. Go ahead.
I'm sorry, I'm not doing this justice. It is Majinamung Shing. That's what I'm saying, but
If she's offended anyone, we apologize. Okay, so we're out on the lake. It looks like every other lake we've been on. Stripping down?
yeah.
Cool. That's what I like to hear. Have fun. I will see you later.
We just finished our lunch on this nice little sandbar island. The water is way too rough to go that way because the weather changes like a dime.
Now I'm freezing.
And it's white caps on that side. So after feeding my husband a lunch for goats because the onions were too big. He enjoyed it though. We're gonna head back.
Yeah, we just came through there. That little opening there. No, just with all that beer in your cooler, how are you gonna portage? Lakes are getting a little bit choppy. Okay, so we just found a nice fresh beaver lodge. So we're gonna check it out. Fresh vegetables all over it. You can see the entrance underwater. It's a mink. Hi, little feller. Look at him. Look. Look at his chops.
He's interested in who we are. He says we are in him. Hello. Oh, this is a nice.
This is where we should have had lunch instead of in the middle of the lake.
Okay, we finished our trip. It was a little windy. It was beautiful first thing this morning. Windy at lunchtime. We ate on.
We're at our campsite. It's right on Lake Superior, and it's a rather blustery night. We're trying to get the fire going, which is no problem. Don't need to fan that tonight. So I've tried to park the Jeep in front of our trailer, so the little tarp we have can keep it from blowing away. But I really feel sorry for the people that got the sites that are right on the beach, which on a sunny day looks like a wonderful thing to do. But as you can tell, the neighbor here behind me is trying his best to try to keep things from getting blown away. By the forecast, the winds are going to pick up. This is what the lake's like tonight. Probably not the nicest night to go for a swim, for sure. Definitely an inland sea. So while I'm outside getting dinner ready, let's just see what Heather's doing. I bet she's freezing inside the nice warm trailer.
Getting warmer.
She's listening to music.
Okay, we're starting on Fenton Lake on our day paddle. See how far we can get. We're going to go up the right-hand side of the lake, and there's a portage for about 50 meters. There's lots of little portages on this, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, geez.
Water. That's the only way to get in.
Isn't the portage just like right across somehow?
Up there. All right, it's gonna get us out of this cesspool.
Okay, we're just got off of a 150-meter portage, and now we're going into Treeby Lake.
Here we go.
We have to choose which way we want to go. Let's stay up the right-hand side.
No bears. No bears. Whoa. I'm gonna have to put it to the side for a second. Oh, no. I just can't get over this little stump. Huh? Ah, that's nice on the ankles.
Okay.
Yeah. Nothing, just hit my shin. Ouch. Reminds me of playing hockey. Street hockey when you get hit in the shin with a stick. Frogs. Holy smokes, look at them all. That's a good sign, eh? And that's supposed to be something about nature, being healthy, amphibians. We got to get out of this cesspool. Yeah, you have to push it that way. Just you push at an angle.
I am.
Oh, that is disgusting. Oh. Oh my God, that is so... It's surprisingly a calm day on Lake Superior. So, Heather and I are going to go for a little paddle along the beach before the winds pick up and we can't do this again. Oh, that is cool. The black you're sitting on.
Old volcano.
I'm glad it's an old one.
Yeah.
And the two rocks they don't stick to each other.